Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1998 Subaru Forester. It is 4x4. It has a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder EJ20 with an automatic transmission. It also comes with 59,008 actual miles. This vehicle is also a 4-wheel drive. Comes with 4 doors and 1 rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. These seats do stow away, and it comes with this interior trunk cover. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. The number that y'all are seeing down here, 94,965. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 59,008. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We will go ahead and start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. I would like to tell you guys thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. It really does mean the world to us. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.